This is the elevator here at Centro Médico in Monterrey, Mexico. Have you noticed Gen 2? Got the basic cab. Let's go up to 3. It's an Otis 2000 VF installed in 2001. Here at 3, button goes out. The S is locked. Down to PB. Here at PB. We'll go for one more ride. Okay, and listen to that motor. Here at 3 again. Alright, sure, I'll be outside. Down to PB and we'll land there. The panel is a little bit loose. Let's do a cab view, shall we? Such a nice Otis 2000 VF elevator. Here are the fixtures and the indicator. It's not P8, so for those who won't not to be confused, so here at PB. There it goes, and that's it.